Hold it to port. Okay, let's jump. Which port you going to, Model 1-4? 1-4 port?
1-3.
Am I too fast?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you got
I changed my speed.
There's a mines.
Oh yeah, there will be mines. Oh, now I'm too slow.
Hold.
I want to know where we are in global. Should I write it 1-4? Okay.
1-4 top right. We can hold here for a minute.
Okay, somebody's doing it. Okay, good. Can we go to VRU?
Yeah, go to VRU.
3-4.
Really, Bumblebee?
Miss.
Ready to jump? Jump. Okay, Model, where are we going now?
3-3?
3-3?
Or we go uppers?
3-3?
You're leading it.
Let's go to 3-3.
Let's do the lowers and then we'll go to the uppers.
What's up, everybody?
Okay.
Hey.
We're doing the flyby for Shi.
I am lagging so bad.
I know, I need to refresh too.
I just accidentally teleported.
I don't even see anybody.
Top right, 3-4 right now.
Jumping.
Jump.
What map are we
User
jumping
joined your
to?
channel.
Now in
3-3.
3-3.
3-3.
3-3 bottom left.
top right.
It's taking me like a minute to get through a port.
Oh, somebody's attacking already. Well, just come to the top. They're dropping mines. Watch out, there's mine.
I was shot down. Where are you going next?
Oh, 2-4.
I'm real far behind you.
Okay, the lag is weird. I'm lagging pretty
2-4.
bad.
I'm still trying to get into 3-3.
Okay,
we'll
wait for you.
Wait here.
There's mine. Be careful. Be careful.
I'm stuck at a port. I'm gonna have to refresh. Shows